This is a demonstration on how to use the RMC Ox-Yoke leather rifle sling, item number ML275. With the included strand of leather, begin lacing up the bottom part of the carrying strap. Lace it up similar to a tennis shoe, making sure that the laces are not too tight so that it fits around the butt of the gun. Shimmy the laced end of the strap over the butt of the gun and begin to tighten the laces. After tightening the laces, you can tie the knot and tuck it in however you wish. Now for the front end of the strap. Wrap the front piece around the barrel and feed the string through the nearest hole to ensure a tight fit. Tie the string off so that the strap does not move. After tying the knot, you can cut off the excess. Now you're ready to hunt.